Understanding, making the final cut. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that's widely used in various contexts: making the final cut. This expression has a rich background and is a great example of how English speakers often use imagery and metaphor to convey specific ideas. Let's explore what it means, where it comes from, and how you can use it in your own conversations. The phrase, making the final cut, refers to being selected or included in a group or list after a series of eliminations or considerations. It's often used to talk about a process where many options are available, but only a few are chosen in the end. For example, imagine a director casting actors for a movie or a coach selecting players for a team. Those who make the final cut are the ones who have been selected to participate. Interestingly, the term has its roots in the film industry. Editing a movie involves cutting and arranging numerous scenes to create the final version that audiences will see. Only the best scenes make the final cut. Over time, this concept has been applied more broadly to any situation where a selection process occurs. It's not just for movies or sports teams. It could be used for job applicants, projects, ideas, or anything where a choice is made from a pool of candidates. Let's look at a few examples to understand how this phrase is used in everyday language. 1. Job interviews. After several rounds of interviews, I was thrilled to make the final cut and receive a job offer. 2. Sports. Hundreds of athletes competed, but only a handful made the final cut for the Olympic team. 3. Competitions. Thousands of entries were submitted, but only the best stories made the final cut for the anthology. These examples show that making the final cut signifies success, inclusion, and being considered among the best of all candidates. I hope this video has helped you understand the meaning and usage of the phrase, making the final cut. It's a powerful expression that conveys selection, quality, and achievement. Whether in professional settings, sports, or everyday conversations, knowing how to use this phrase can enrich your English vocabulary and help you express complex ideas more naturally. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next lesson.